Imagine turning on your LG Smart TV. Everything looks fine, but there's no sound at all. It's frustrating. But the good news is that in most cases, it's actually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple solutions that should get your sound working again, so stick around until the end. First, let's check the basics: the volume and mute. It might seem obvious, but a lot of people overlook it. Use your remote to make sure the volume is turned up and check that the TV isn't muted. Sometimes the mute button gets pressed by accident, or the volume was just turned all the way down. This is quick to check, and it fixes the problem more often than you'd think. Next, let's make sure the sound is going to the right place. Open the Settings menu on your LG Smart TV. Then go to All Settings and select Sound. Look for Sound Out, and make sure Use TV Speaker is selected. This ensures that the audio comes directly from your TV speakers. If it's set to an HDMI device or Bluetooth speaker, the sound might be going somewhere else, which is why you're not hearing anything. Another important thing is the audio balance. In Advanced Settings under Sound, you'll find Balance. This slider controls whether sound comes more from the left or right speaker. If it's shifted all the way to one side, you might not hear anything at all. Just move the slider back to the center, set it to 0, and the sound should come evenly from both speakers. Even though it's a small setting, it's a common reason why people suddenly lose all audio. If the sound is still not working, try restarting your TV. Turn it off, unplug it from the wall for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. While it's unplugged, you can quickly check your cables to make sure nothing is loose. Restarting the TV like this can clear small software glitches that might be preventing the sound from working. Sometimes the TV is sending the sound somewhere else and you don't even realize it. Check if any HDMI devices, soundbars, or Bluetooth speakers are connected. If they are, unplug them or turn off Bluetooth temporarily, then check if the TV speakers are working again. LG TVs often prioritize external devices, so the audio might not come through the built-in speakers until you disconnect everything. Finally, if none of these fixes worked, you can reset the sound settings. In the Sound menu, look for the option to reset audio settings to default. This will undo any custom changes that might be causing problems. If that still doesn't fix it, a full factory reset is an option, but only use it as a last resort. Usually, just resetting the sound settings is enough to get your audio back. These are the main ways to fix no sound on your LG Smart TV. Most of the time, one of these solutions will solve the problem, and your audio should be working again. If this video helped you, please leave a like. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.